welcome to another episode of the Naughty Grape Vine, a series dedicated to expanding your appreciation of wines and spirits. For those of you not familiar with the Naughty Grape, we are one of the largest retailers of internationally renowned wines and spirits on the island of Trinidad, also stocking a huge collection of complimentary food and accessory items. We also offer our patrons an online shopping experience at naughtygrapett.com, where you can shop online for pickup in-store or delivery to your door. This episode is all about Cinco de Mayo and some easy recipes that you can try at home. So what exactly is Cinco de Mayo? The celebration, which is on the 5th of May, is commonly mistaken for Mexico's Independence Day. However, it really is the celebration of a victory over France in the Battle of Puebla, which took place on May 5th, 1862. Flash forward to the 1960s, some Mexican-American activists used it as a source of pride to garner support for the growing civil rights movement. To date, the celebration is a complex symbol of Mexican culture, character, and resilience. As we carry a few tequilas in our portfolio, we always find it fitting to use this occasion to highlight the unique potency of this spirit, which is native to Mexico. Tequila, which is made from blue agave, not cactus as it's commonly mistaken for, must be made in Mexico to be so classified. The brands that have become familiar to us, such as Don Julio, Patron, and Jose Cuervo, make all 5 types of tequila, which includes Blanco, Joven, Reposado, Añejo, and Extra Añejo. Locally, you may not find all 5 variants, but certainly the more popular ones, such as Blanco and Reposado, are easily accessible. The variants that we'll focus on today are Blanco and Reposado tequilas. Blanco Silver or White tequila is made from 100% agave or mixto. Reposado tequila, on the other hand, which means rested, is aged in wood casks for a minimum of 2 months or up to 9 months. The barrels temper the flavor of the pure Blanco, adds an oak flavor, and gives the tequila its pale straw color. So what can we concoct with these 2 variants? Today I have with me bartender extraordinaire Jordan Cox to help us make 2 easy recipes. The Margarita is probably the most famous cocktail that uses Blanco tequila as its base. For this recipe, you will need the following: salt and a lime wedge for garnishing, 2 ounces of Blanco tequila, 3/4 ounce simple syrup, and 3/4 ounce of lime juice. To begin with, place your salt in a plate. Today we're using pink salt, but you can use regular salt at home. Rub the rim of your glass with lime. We're using a margarita glass, but if you don't have a margarita glass at home, you can use a regular rocks glass. Dip the rim in salt as shown by Jordan. Then, place ice in your glass and set aside. In your tumbler, add the rest of your ingredients: the simple syrup, lime juice, and tequila. Fill with ice, and then shake vigorously until the outside of the tumbler turns cold. And garnish with a lime wheel. Now, wasn't that easy, and doesn't it look fantastic? I can't wait to try it. As for Reposado tequila, try this classic Paloma recipe. You will need the following ingredients: salt and grapefruit wedge for garnishing, 2 ounces of Reposado tequila, 3 ounces of grapefruit juice, 2 ounces of sparkling water or club soda, and 1 ounce of lime juice. Similar to the method shown in the margarita recipe, rim your glass with salt, fill with ice, and set aside. In your tumbler, add the Reposado tequila, grapefruit juice, and lime juice. Top with ice and shake vigorously. Strain the contents into your glass. Top with the sparkling water or club soda, and garnish with your grapefruit wedge. Now, doesn't that look refreshing and oh so simple to make? And of course, there's always shots. Luckily for you, the Naughty Grape has several games designed to make the shot experience a little more interesting than the usual slam dunk that occurs. Check out our tic-tac shot, roulette shot, and loaded dice games. You can find it in-store or online. Join us for the next episode, where we explore Mother's Day and the perfect gifting options. See you soon!